Today we're going to be making DIY fire starters.
Hi, my name's Melina and welcome to my channel, Homesteading Farm Life. Our videos are all about homesteading, our 40-acre farm, and our animals. Follow our journey and learn how to homestead on your farm or in your backyard. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below.
All year long in the laundry room, I am making fire starters for our wood-burning stove and our fireplace. And it's simple and easy to do, and I would love to share my tip with you. Using things that you already have around the house, you can create fire starters for your fireplace or anywhere that you need to start a fire. I collect paper towel roll holders and empty toilet paper roll holders. And they're falling because I have a lot. I collect these whenever we are done using paper towels or whenever we are done with a roll of toilet paper. And I will keep them up above my dryer for easy reach for whenever I need one. After I'm done with a load of clothes, I will open it up and I will take out my lint trap. Then basically all you do is gather your lint, and then I stuff these rolls, these cardboard rolls that I've collected, completely full of lint until they cannot be filled anymore. And basically all we do is throw that stuff away in the trash. Instead of doing that, I like to reuse and repurpose things that you would normally throw away. And toilet paper rolls and dryer lint are two things that I can totally use together to start a fire. Then we end up with these dryer lint filled rolls that are perfect to start a fire. Now, I already have a fire going because it is January here in Illinois, and in order to keep the house warm, there's a fire going 24/7. However, to start a fire, you would just do your normal stacking of wood and place this in there with some other paper or little kindling, and it's a great way to start a fire. Now, what we do after I make these in the laundry room, I just simply bring them out here. And we have a basket that we have sits next to our fireplace, and that's where I put these. I have a little box inside this basket, and all of these little fire starters live in that box, along with any other mail or trash that we have that we can burn. This is just our box of stuff. We have some matches in here and some gloves in case we need to handle something that's hot, and then extra newspaper ads and stuff. So my fire starter will go into this little basket that we have that sits next to the fireplace all the time. And then whenever we have to start a fire, or say we leave for the day and we don't leave the fire going all day long, and we come back home and the house is cold, we have to start a fire. These DIY fire starters are a super quick and easy and efficient way to get your fire started. Share your thoughts with me. Do you use fire starters whenever you are starting your fire? Or how do you start your fire? Do you just use paper? Do you just use kindling? Do you use a blowtorch? Do you use matches? I would love to see your fires, your videos, your photos. Please leave all of your comments down below.
Thank you for watching today's video on Homesteading Farm Life. Please share this video with your friends and click that thumbs up button below. If you're interested in homesteading and farming, why don't you join our journey by clicking the subscribe button and then choosing the little bell icon so you never miss a video. Maybe you're interested in more than just watching homesteading videos. Maybe you want to make some homesteading friends. Why don't you join me on Facebook in my homesteading Facebook group? I will include a link to the group down in the video description.